Hey everybody, it's Kal Jordi, Director of Operations for Walid's Fund. I'm speaking to you here from the Syrian refugee camp, Marj al Khokh, which is the largest Syrian refugee camp in Lebanon. We are here to teach the refugees job skills and crafts so that they become self-reliant. It's a 3 weeks program where they will learn these crafts such as sewing, barbering, makeup, and hairdressing, where they can depend on themselves and they can be able to take their children to school. So for the past 2 days, what we've been doing, we've been meeting with the community. First, we met with the Lebanese government security officer to get their okay for us to enter into the camp. Then we met with the 3 camp managers where we get their buy-in. See, it's like more of a tribal leadership, so we want to make sure that everybody is okay before the refugees will be enrolled in the program. Then we met with each community. There are 3 communities in this large camp, and we're able to get the names of the managers in training that will be managing and helping us manage the program in the camps. And also we got the names of the refugees who want to learn the skills and which skills that they want to learn. And now we are heading to buy the equipment and buy the tools, so that we will be able to start the workshops starting Monday. Tomorrow and Friday will be the 2-day intensive that will be teaching the managers how to coach and how to manage. There will be more about personal development, setting goals, how to give feedback and coaching, and help them really step up to a leadership position so that they can help us manage the program after we leave. So we'll keep you posted. Thank you for your support. Thank you for your encouragement. And thanks for the Red Cross for their help and their support. And until then, keep hopeful. Okay, Councilor, okay,